A lot of our clients are asking one question: how can we balance sustainability and performance? They need high-performance advertising materials. However, traditional materials always carry pollution risks. These materials cannot meet modern green requirements. Today, I'm here to introduce our PVC-free solution. First, we must talk about safety. Our PVC-free materials contains no halogens. It achieves true friendly environmentally flare retardants.
Our PVC-free materials provides better printing results. It can show higher clarity. Its colors are also more vibrant and vivid. The material's coating design is very precise. It ensures a lower ink migration rate. This lower rate makes the image quality more stable. Maintenance cost is also big issue. Our PVC-free materials has very strong hydrophobicity. It has better self-cleaning ability. Water drops will roll off the material surface quickly. These water drops can carry away surface dirt. This keeps your advertising graphic clean for a long time. We believe high performance and sustainability can coexist.
HALEAD provides you with an exclusive green material solution.